This is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity problems on this device. In the beginning, check if your system is in the airplane or do not disturb modes. So the easiest way to do so is by launching the quick access panel. Here find the airplane mode tile and make sure that it is deactivated, and the same goes for the do not disturb mode as well. So switch both of those features off. You can also try disabling the phone call enhancement features such as VoLTE and Wi-Fi calls. And well, in order to do that, go into your device's settings, enter the SIM and network settings category, select the SIM card you're experiencing those problems with, and here turn off the 4G call-in and Wi-Fi call-in features. Now, I also suggest that you take your SIM injection tool, like this one for example, then take out your SIM card and wipe its contact point with a cloth or preferably with an electronics-friendly cleaning solution, or the ethanol or regular alcohol should do just fine. And the final advice that I have for you guys is that you try contacting your carrier or mobile network provider, since at this point if all the aforementioned steps in this video didn't help, the issue lays on the side of your mobile operator or cellular carrier rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.